What's up, French fry fam? You all love them crispy and golden, but have you ever wondered how those frozen miracles are made? I went on a factory tour just for you, and it's way crazier than you think. It all starts with the perfect potatoes, special varieties, firm and packed with starch. They show up filthy and go through a mega washing station. Then, peeling until they're shining clean. Now comes the iconic cut. High-tech knives slice them into millimeter-perfect, identical sticks. But heads up, the real game changer is blanching. The raw sticks take a quick dip in hot water. Why? It washes out sugar and activates starch, the secret to that later golden color and fluffy interior. Then off to the fryer, but just for a sec. This pre-frying at a precise temperature creates the first crispy shell. And after that, shock freezing at minus 40 degrees Celsius. They go in hot and come out frozen solid in minutes inside a freezing tunnel. That locks in the perfect shape and keeps the inside airy. Before heading into the bag, they face the ultimate check. Optical sensors and X-ray eyes weed out every imperfect fry. Only the elite get weighed, packaged, and are ready for your air fryer. Bottom line, every frozen fry contains more high-tech precision than you'd ever guess. Next time you're munching, you'll know the story. Enjoy your fries. Did you like that? Then smash that like button and subscribe for more food behind the scenes.